Back after 25 years, and this time the Rolling Stones, who have a combined age of over 250 years, are bridging the generation divide with their Bigger Bang tour. Fans have come from all over and have braved the wet conditions to see one of the most talked about rock groups of the past 40 years.
Can't wait for the Stones. I saw them in 1982, thought it was great, can't wait.
Is this your first time seeing them?
Well, it's my first concert as well, so yeah.
Sydney, Australia.
Yeah, Sydney.
Are you big fans of the Rolling Stones?
Absolutely. I saw them at Giant Stadium in New York last year. Melanie saw them in
Hollywood Bowl.
Yeah,
Los Angeles.
And in Sydney, of course, last year as well.
Tonight will be the third time the group will have performed in Ireland, and it's their second time at Slane Castle.
25 years, it's a long time, and it means a lot to the band. I know we've all been going, yeah, I can't wait to get to Slane. You know, we ploughed our way through the Eastern Bloc and all through Europe, and last year we were all over the States and Japan and everywhere in the world, and we still regard the Slane as quite a landmark.
It's reported that the band, who are due on stage in just over 2 hours' time, will be very satisfied with their pay packets this weekend, as it's rumoured they could be pocketing up to €2 million from tonight's gig.